YouTube, what's up? Today we have a Polaris Edge 800 and we're going to be showing you how to do a chain case oil change. Alright, so here's your chain case right here. Big little gray thing, that's your chain case check right down there. Alright, so what you're gonna need is an oil catcher. Get your oil catcher, doesn't matter what it can be whatever heck you want it to. You're gonna need an Allen wrench. Well, mine specifically is a 3/16. Alright, what you gotta do, and up that beautiful hole is a Allen wrench head right there. Unbolt that and your oil will drain out. Alright, so we're going to take this, we're going to set it right here. You're going to take your ratchet, you're going to get it up in there, you can get it nice and tight. Alright, and you're going to loosen it. Make sure it's on loosen before you go stripping the bolt out. Alright, so we're going to loosen this baby up. Alright, so we got it loosening up here. Careful, oil might go everywhere. But so far so good. I'm going to untwist this. I'm going to do this until it comes out. We're going to slide this over. Bada bing. Oil is draining. Looks like fairly clean oil. Last year's oil down in there. Still got your thing on the Allen head. Yeah, did I mention you're going to need some rags? So you let that drain out. I'm gonna walk over here, grab some rags. Check out my last video for the YZ no spark. That's also a how-to video. Alright, back over here with some mechanic shop rags. She's still draining out there. Alright. Still draining. I'm gonna pick up one of those rags. Wipe off your drain bolt so it's not all nasty. Leave that right on the thing. I'm gonna set that right there. I'm gonna wash that off. Alright guys, so there's that. She's still dripping out of there. Gonna pull off the top. Looky there, that went easier than I thought it would. Must not put it in there all the way, so that's still dripping. And what you want to do is you're going to want to clean off your drain thing. Wipe that all off. And yes, the end of mine's a magnetic thing, so it grabs all the magnetic metal pieces and come off your gears when you're wearing and tearing on your 800. I got this all nice and cleaned up, looking good. Set that down there. Alright, she's slowly dripping still. Let's see how many ounces of oil we got in there. We got 12 ounces of oil in that little 800 right here. Hold on. 12 ounces. So it's gonna be pretty much empty. So once you feel satisfied with all your oil out of there, clean up your spot, put this back over in your spot, and stick your drain bolt up in there. Stick it up in there if you can see that. Right up in there. Stick it back in there. Tighten it up. Hand tight. Alright. Now, I'm going to take my ratchet. I'm going to put it on the Titan. going to put it in there. You just want to put it till snug. Don't tighten it enough that it strips. Alright, so after we get that, it's up in there nice and tight. Don't strip it. If you do, you're going to get yourself into some trouble. Alright. Alright, so she's tight up in there. Alright, you're gonna got that all clean. Now you can get whatever oil you want. I mean, it's up to you. I'm gonna run some Lucas oil in mine, but you get to pick and choose on what oil you want to use. Alright, so I emptied it, cleaned it out, put 12 ounces of my Lucas oil, gear oil in it, because that's how much came out, and it was a safe amount. 12 ounces of that. Alright, and so I did take my can off, or my silencer I should say, it's stock, so I could get my funnel in there easier. Stuck it down in there, and now you're just going to slowly apply 12 ounces of oil. Make sure your funnel does not fall out. Just let that drain in there. Might take a little bit. And set that up there. Let that, make sure you get it all out. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. After you're done, you put your dipstick back in there. You're ready to roll for the winter. Alright, if I can get 100 likes, I will get rid of this baby and get a MBRP trail can so that I don't get any tickets. But if you guys want to see that on my 800, give me 100 likes and I will order one of those and make a video of that. Thanks guys, and have a good day.